Hi everyone, this is a custom 1000 liters refrigeration homogenization integrated machine for a Xinjiang client. The milk cooling tank uses food grade 304 stainless steel, fitted with a 4 horsepower Songxia compressor and a 5.5 kilowatt motor. As the core of milk beverage processing, the homogenizer breaks milk molecules via high pressure, shearing an impact for better absorption and richer flavor. PM me if interested.